so I'm kind of late, but I'm grabbing all my stuff and I'm just gonna head out there, meet the guys at the... I don't think anyone's here yet, but since no one's here yet, I'm gonna go get my stuff. You guys want to say hi? This is Calvin. This is Sue. Sai. You want to say hi, Nucci?
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah.
Just found the outlet.
Sai, you want to say hi? This is the other member of their little team. Yeah. Guy.
Yeah.
This is all of them.
Yeah, I'm Ying and we're shooting Tong's music video Los Lus today, so we're really excited and we just arrived here, so...
Oh, they're living in the basement, and the dad can see it, and also the son who isn't married yet can see it.
As you can see, we like talking about ghost stories, or at least these guys.
This is Tom. Your spotlight. Test.
Dang, that's pretty cool up there, man.
Yellowy?
Oh yeah.
Too much of playing game.
You're not seeing, you're just kind of... Not seeing that yeah, you just kind of stand there kind of posing. Posing with your head.
Where's the camera?
Still in production.
Practice the walk.
This is Pang, our actress. She volunteered and gladly helped us, so it's very excited. We're all happy that everyone's here on time and everyone's doing something, so it's going very well so far. Hoping to get this shoot done today. Be exciting.
Hi everyone, my name is Pang Zong Vang. I'm an art education student here at UW.
Sweet. And today we're shooting for Tong's music video. How are you feeling about that?
Okay, I've acted on stage before, so I'm fine.
Okay.
I might laugh by accident sometimes, but I'm trying to be serious. So
Not a problem.
do some retakes.
No problem.
But we see Tong too, right?
Yeah.
All right, the guys they're filming one of the shots for Pang. Pang, how are you feeling, Pang? Are you tired?
I'm tired because I stayed up last night.
Oh, I told you to go sleep. How are you guys feeling? What's that?
Pretty good.
Happy!
So white balance.
White balance
We got
snack.
at Pang too to see how she's doing.
She's really tired right now. Apparently she's really tired right now because she didn't sleep well, I guess.
It's because I'm an art student.
Oh.
My body's not used to getting enough
ready?
sleep. So when I do sleep enough,
We
I'm
should
tired.
one with Tong in there.
Okay then.
We should get one with Tong.
Hello, we are making a movie. This is our stunt man, our focus man.
It's not that.
Yeah, 頭嚟動作咯。
Shoot, the lights are too strong. Okay.
班可能嚟得到睇 their new Godfather movie. This guy obviously doesn't know what he's doing. He's just chatting. He's obviously in the camera.
Action. 做8個啦。
我就要做位 next time。
I know, 得吃多些。
That's good, because we...
I just finished my first music video with Team Sandal. These guys are my stunt people. They were falling off stages and jumping off balconies, and they're still in one piece. They are the tough guys out here.
Just got back from hospital. We just finished with the music video. What's it called?
Ilalu.
Ilalu, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
With the directing
Tom
we don't
Chang
know.
and Team Sandal.
So this is Team Sandal.
Halfway there, we just got all the stages done and
Yes.
we do
Post-production, so we're excited. It's been a long day, and we want to thank Pang and Vang, right?
Yep.
Pang Vang and Tom Chang. So you guys are great
people
actors
at
and
Mabel
artists.
Tainter for letting us this.
Yeah.
Yes, we really want to thank you to Mabel Tainter, Vicky, and Molly for being there. So thanks a lot, and everyone did great today. So.
Yeah, look forward to the new music video for Tom Chang.
Yes. Peace out.